Today we are mastering building a RAG application, your first smart search bot with external data. Let's dive right in. Imagine you've got a super specific question about your company's latest internal policy, or your personal notes from a meeting. If you type that into Google, it won't know. Why? Because that data isn't public. Traditional search engines are great for general info, but they can't access your private world of documents. This is where our smart bot comes in. It needs a way to learn from your specific external data that no public search engine can reach. RAG stands for *retrieval *a augmented generation. Think of it this way. You have a brilliant, super fast writer. That's our AI, a large language model or LLM. But this writer only knows what it's been trained on, like general knowledge from a massive encyclopedia. RAG gives this writer a personal library assistant that can quickly find specific, relevant books, your external data, before the writer starts typing. This way, the writer isn't guessing. It's providing answers based on real, up-to-date facts from your chosen sources. Before our AI can answer, it needs to find the relevant information. Imagine you have a huge library of your own documents, PDFs, notes, spreadsheets. When you ask a question, we first need to search through these documents to pull out the pieces most likely to contain the answer. This isn't just a keyword search. It's a meaning-based search. We convert all your documents and your question into special codes called embeddings. Think of these as super smart labels that capture the meaning. Then, we find documents whose meaning codes are closest to your question's meaning code. This is often done using something called a vector database, a super efficient way to store and search these meaning codes. Once we've retrieved the most relevant pieces of information from your documents, let's say 2 to 3 paragraphs that seem to hold the key, we don't just throw them at the AI randomly. We augment or enhance your original question by packaging it with these retrieved facts. It's like giving your brilliant writer a set of carefully selected study notes right before they write. So, instead of just asking, "What's the policy?" single quote, we effectively tell the AI, "Hey AI, based on these specific notes I just found, what's the policy?" This provides the AI with immediate, specific context to answer accurately. Now comes the magic. Our super fast writer, the large language model or LLM, takes your original question plus the study notes we provided, the retrieved documents. Its job is to read through these notes and then generate a clear, concise, and accurate answer based only on the information it received. It doesn't guess. It synthesizes. This makes the answer highly relevant and grounded in the facts from your external data, significantly reducing the chances of the AI making things up. Something called hallucination. Let's see the whole process our smartbot follows when you ask it a question. 1. You ask, "What's the return policy for electronics?" 2. Retrieve. The bot's library assistant quickly searches your internal company documents and finds the paragraph specifically detailing the electronics return policy. 3. Augment. Your original question is combined with this retrieved paragraph and sent to the AI. 4. Generate. The AI reads the policy paragraph and formulates a clear, direct answer like, "According to document X, electronics can be returned within 30 days with original packaging." This entire cycle happens in seconds, giving you precise answers from your own specific data. For developers, RAG is incredibly powerful because accuracy. Your AI answers are based on your specific, factual data, not just general internet knowledge. Reduced hallucinations. It helps stop the AI from making things up because it has concrete information to work with. Freshness. You can update your external data anytime, and the AI will immediately use the new information without needing expensive retraining. Control and transparency. You know exactly which documents the AI used to formulate its answer, giving you more control and trust. This opens up endless possibilities for building smart applications that understand and leverage proprietary information. Now that you understand how RAG works under the hood, you're ready to start building. Imagine creating a bot that can answer questions about your product documentation, summarize your meeting notes, or even act as a smart assistant for your internal team, all powered by your specific data. In our next steps, we'll dive into the tools and code to make this a reality, turning concepts into your first working, smart search bot. Get ready to unlock the power of your own data with AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.